So here I've created a GPS speedometer. It has a couple preset speed limits that you can go through. I'll go over those later when I'm demonstrating it. But if you pass over the speed limit, the screen will turn red and say, warning, you are speeding. It'll tell you, it'll still tell you the speed limit and your current speed. In order to change your current speed limit in your area, you click that button. I have a couple preset ones. Also, this light, if you start speeding, it'll turn red and flash blue like the LEDs on a cop car. And that is, it'll also beep at you once you start speeding. So here, I'm out on a dirt road. I have an assistant that's gonna help me record this. But here's my speedometer with my speed limit. You can change your speed limit to, I got a couple presets for normal speed limits. So I have 30 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour, 55 miles per hour, 60, 65, 80, 85, and then if you're out in Germany on the Autobahn, we got 999. But I'll pass the phone to my assistant and I will start demonstrating at 30. Okay, so starting off for 30 miles per hour, we'll speed up here. Okay, so now it triggered that we're speeding. So it goes red and says, warning, you are speeding. It tells you the speed limit and your current speed, so you know when to drop down. Also flashes red and blue like a cop would. And then if I slow back down, once I get back under the speed limit, it'll say you are not speeding, and it will still tell you the speed limit and your current speed. You can bump it up to 35, showcase that off. Speed up. We can bump it up. 55. We'll have to change roads for 55. Okay. I'll go. So here we're on a road that the speed limit is 60, so I'll go up to the speed limit and pass it a little bit. And drop back down. Okay, here we're gonna merge onto the interstate. Slow down. There we go. Here we'll showcase going 80. This guy's trying to pass me. And back down. And that is the end of the demonstration.